PocketSmith Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to PocketSmith and related products are in the description below. Let's dive right into the review. PocketSmith is a comprehensive personal finance and budgeting tool designed for individuals and families who want to gain better control over their money. It's ideal for people who want to track their spending, set financial goals, and manage their budgets while also providing detailed insights into their financial future. Unlike basic budgeting apps, PocketSmith offers an advanced approach, allowing you to forecast your finances based on real-life spending patterns and income. Features. PocketSmith offers a wide range of features designed to give users a clear view of their financial situation. One of the standout features is the cash flow forecasting tool, which allows users to see how their finances will evolve over time based on current spending patterns and income. The platform connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to automatically import transactions and categorize them. PocketSmith's budgeting tool lets you create personalized budgets and track your expenses with ease. You can also create multiple budgets for different financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying down debt. Additionally, the platform supports calendar-based planning, enabling users to visualize future income and expenses. PocketSmith also offers a comprehensive reporting system, providing insights into your net worth, cash flow, and spending habits, with a detailed breakdown of your financial life. Strengths. The biggest strength of PocketSmith is its advanced forecasting capabilities, which set it apart from other budgeting tools. The ability to predict your financial future based on real data helps users make proactive decisions, whether it's adjusting spending habits or preparing for upcoming expenses. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it accessible for both finance beginners and experienced users. PocketSmith's customizable budgeting features and goal-setting tools give users flexibility, while the calendar-based planning provides an organized view of upcoming finances. Weaknesses. The main downside of PocketSmith is its pricing structure. While it offers a free plan, many of the advanced features like cash flow forecasting and detailed reporting are locked behind the premium plans, which may be too expensive for some users. Additionally, while the platform is easy to use, some features like advanced reporting may require some time to fully understand and utilize. Final verdict. PocketSmith is an excellent tool for those who want to go beyond basic budgeting and gain a more comprehensive understanding of their financial future. Its forecasting capabilities, customizable budgets, and goal-setting features make it a top choice for anyone serious about managing their personal finances. If you're looking for a robust tool to track your finances and plan ahead, PocketSmith is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.